name is Jonathan. I'm the project manager here at Danavation. My role as a project manager is to see projects through from start to finish. That starts with our basic assessment all the way through to our physical install of our digital smart labels. So I do a lot of back-end work, but I client face during, before, and after each install. Whether they have questions about DSLs, it's rails, adapters, I'm always there to help them wherever they need it. Working at Danavation is amazing. We're a very innovative company. We're a very fast-paced company. Not only are we helping our customers streamline their operations or cut labor costs, we're actually helping the environment, which is a big thing for me. We're reducing a lot of use for any paper labels. So another thing that I do like is that we're helping our customers spend more time with their clientele by not having to worry about the tedious jobs of switching labels by hand anymore. I really believe in Danavation's mission. We are making people's lives easier, whether it's at the customer level, where we're making their shopping experience a little easier, accurate pricing, and at the store level, where we're helping cut labor costs and streamline operations for them. Working at Danavation has been amazing right from the start. I really enjoy working with our coworkers. We have an awesome environment. The biggest thing I think for me is no two customers are the same, so I'm constantly forced to problem solve, which is something that I feel I'm very good at. So whether I'm working with you directly or another one of my coworkers, we hope to make your transition to digital smart labels smooth, simple, and hassle-free.